Hey guys, I had a request to show you how to do my mohawk thing. So number one, I'm not a hair blogger, I don't know, but this is just what I do. And my bathroom is probably echoey. We're just doing our best. So you need a couple things first. Number one, dirty hair. It works the best, it holds the best. This also helps. Dry shampoo from Big and Sexy to make it really dirty. So when I do this, I shake it really well. And then I like divide the hair and hold about 6 inches away and then like divide again. And it just really helps with the grip. And then the other side. So that your little mohawk can be bigger than smaller. Because people are saying their hair is too fine for it. I actually have super fine hair. I just have a lot of it. So it looks like I have more because of this. Okay. And then if you want, you can use like a conditioner for your ends, because sometimes you can pull the ends out and you want them to be not like fried gross. So just a little of that. Okay. Rubbing it in. And then rubbing your dry shampoo. Make sure it's not like powdery. You don't want that. Okay, next thing you need is Jumbos. This is the brand I use. They're just these really long, big bobby pins, and they help grip with all that dry shampoo. Okay, here we go. So I'm just gonna pull like from my eyebrows up a little section. You're gonna have to divide it, especially if you didn't brush through your hair like I didn't, and kind of smooth it. Okay, when you take it from underneath, twist it, pull this end through with your fingers like you're doing a knot, okay? So it's a little bit of a knot, and then kind of make it messy, but mostly hold it, and in those key points where you're holding it, you're gonna stick a bobby pin through, and you're gonna feel it grip. So I usually do one from each side and let the bobby pins crisscross. So that's like this. Like inside the hair, they're crisscrossing each other so that it holds better. And it just looks like a little nubby, but then you can kind of fluff and mess with it as you go. So there's our first guy, okay? Now the rest is kind of like you're dividing it like a French braid. So I'm gonna probably do 3 more sections. So I'm just kind of grabbing it, and I make sure I grab the hair underneath, not just the sides, because you want the bulk in your bun. So same thing, kind of smooth your sides, and then take it from underneath. So see how my hand goes underneath? Whips around, pulls through. So I've got a little knot, and then I'm gonna grab my bobby pins. And it might feel kind of tricky to push through sometimes because that dry shampoo is seriously grippy, but that's what we want. Fluff them a little, so now we have 2, see? And you can kind of fluff them together, whatever you want here at the end. So then we're gonna go another one. Now, I notice sometimes I leave down here not enough hair, so you don't wanna take so much in this one that this one doesn't have hair. So if you need to like section some back out to the bottom. Okay, and just make sure it's kind of smooth on the sides. Same thing, twist, quick knot, fluff it. And then probably hear my kids hitting my door. Rexy, hold on. What? We're fighting over the treadmill this morning, so I guess that's a good fight. See this? And if it feels loose, throw another pin in. You can hear him, sorry guys. Okay, here we go. I'll tuck it through. Hey buddy, hold on.
The speaker.
Oh, you want the speaker? Okay.
Dad needed it.
Dad needed it. Love you. Real life, okay. Last one. We're gonna pull this up. Now, if you do it too low, it's gonna like hit your collar and stuff. So you wanna like angle it up as you're gonna do the knot. Make sure you get all your little, I call them frog fur hairs. And this one's the hardest one to make flat. The top and the bottom. And that's just because it's less hair, less thickness there. So I'm gonna pin it extra so it doesn't fall down. So then I can also pull on it extra to make it like extra fluffy. You guys are getting me in my workout clothes. Oh, that one might be okay. Oh, it sounds like a freaking war out there. Hopefully you guys can't hear everything going on in my house right now. And then I'm gonna pull on things and fluff them. Make sure they're how I like it. Okay. And then you just take, this is just hairspray, and like spray it in place, all craziness. Use your fingers to smooth it. There you go, friends, Mohawk. I know, I'm so professional, but truly, it's awesome. So you have to get the Big and Sexy Dry Shampoo. You have to get the big, big, big bobby pins. You have to have dirty hair, and then hairspray at the end helps. Okay, that was fun. Thanks for letting me show you.